प्रैक्टिस है यार। प्रैक्टिस पे काम ये मोबाइल पे भेजा हूँ सेंड किया यूट्यूब पे भी सीधा आता है। दूसरों को भेजने पड़ेंगे। लिंक भेजा हमने अपना ग्रुप के ऊपर डाल दीजिए फैमिली ग्रुप फैमिली ग्रुप
इन्कम जस्ट
काय
वाटाणे सापडून
इकडे मग तिथं बरं काय नाव आहे तुझं नाव सोमेश
हेलो हाँ 9 बजे स्टार्ट हो जाएगा अभी तो हाँ 9
सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्।
On this eve of 74th Independence Day celebrations, we welcome all the senior officers, and the parade is waiting to start. They have taken the position. Just our divisional commandant will arrive shortly, followed by our chief guest. So I request all of you who are in the premises, two things to be followed. One, social distancing is a must, and wearing of mask. All the persons who are standing, I request them to occupy the chairs, please. All the persons who are standing are requested to occupy the chairs. Along with me, the anchoring is Shri A.K. Sharma ji, Sub-Inspector, Aurangabad.
सुप्रभात, नमस्कार। मैं अरविंद कुमार शर्मा, निरीक्षक रेलवे सुरक्षा बल, यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी अतिथिगणों, पदाधिकारियों, देवियों एवं सज्जनों को इस 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस समारोह के अवसर पर हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ। अभी कुछ ही समय में हमारे मुख्य अतिथि श्रीमान मंडल रेल प्रबंधक महोदय द्वारा राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को फहराया जाएगा और परेड द्वारा हमारे झंडे को राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट दिया जाएगा और हमारे देश का मान बढ़ाया जाएगा। हमारे परेड के सभी जवान मुस्तैदी के साथ खड़े हुए हैं। मंडल रेल प्रबंधक महोदय द्वारा आने से पहले मंडल सुरक्षा आयुक्त महोदय पधारेंगे और उनको भी परेड द्वारा ऑनर देकर उनका सम्मान किया जाएगा। आज की हमारी इस भव्य परेड के परेड कमांडर हैं मंडल निरीक्षक श्री बीएन सिंह। उनका साथ दे रहे हैं सेकंड इंचार्ज श्री एम संतोष कुमार, उप निरीक्षक नांदेड़। फर्स्ट प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं सब इंस्पेक्टर कैडेट श्री पंकज। सेकंड प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं सब इंस्पेक्टर कैडेट श्री राजकुमार मीणा। तीसरी प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं सब इंस्पेक्टर कैडेट श्री शिवा रूपावत। डॉग स्क्वाड का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं हेड कांस्टेबल श्री मारुति नवाड़े।
the excellent arrangements made by the engineering department. You can view this, and we are witnessing here the arrangements made by S&T department beautifully. During this COVID also, we are taking the advantage of the digitalization. We are having big screens on either side. You can view it, and the web on YouTube has been shared with all of you who are the residents. They can enjoy the proceedings here. Welcome our Dr. Madam, Dr. Manisha. The RPF also is excellently dressed in a ceremonial uniform for the Independence Day. We are waiting for arrival of a divisional commandant. Shortly is going to arrive, followed by our chief guest, DRM sir. I request children who are below 12 years, school-going children, better to view from the residence. We are sharing this live proceedings on YouTube also. Children are, बच्चे जो भी है कृपया अपने घर जाके देखिएगा, क्योंकि YouTube पे आपको लाइव मिलेगा. छोटे बच्चे, क्योंकि कोविड चल रहा है, इस कारण निमंत्रित लोग ही बुलाए गए हैं. The parade is ready, waiting for that. Just I will introduce the parade. Divisional Inspector Nanded. The second in command is Mr. M. Santosh, Sub-Inspector Nanded. I welcome Divisional Secretary South Central Railway Employees Sangh, Sri Venkateshwar Ji, followed by the President Hatkar Ji, to kindly occupy the chair, please. And the first platoon commander is Pankaj, Sub-Inspector Cadet. To Raj Kumar, SI Cadet, the second commandant, and the third platoon leader commander is Shiva Rupawat, SI Cadet, and the dog squad headed by Maruti Narwade, Head Constable, and Nanded, and the lovely dogs you are seeing there, the Boris, handler is Naresh Phad.
कुछ ही समय में श्रीमान मंडल सुरक्षा आयुक्त महोदय हम सबके बीच में होंगे.
And Teja, More Balaji, and the Simha by Wadke Sakaram, Head Constable. These all arrangements are done under the guidance of elegant and dynamic leadership of Senior DPO sir. I thank from bottom of my heart to Senior DPO sir, Senior DST, and the Senior DN Coordination sir for beautiful arrangements here on this occasion. Shortly we are receiving our division commandant.
मंडल सुरक्षा आयुक्त महोदय का आगमन हो रहा है. सहायक सुरक्षा आयुक्त महोदय द्वारा उनका अभिवादन किया जा रहा है. सहायक सुरक्षा आयुक्त महोदय श्रीमान मंडल सुरक्षा आयुक्त महोदय को लेकर सैल्यूटिंग बेस की तरफ आ रहे हैं, जहां पर परेड द्वारा मंडल सुरक्षा आयुक्त महोदय को सलामी दी जाएगी. परेड द्वारा श्रीमान मंडल सुरक्षा आयुक्त महोदय को सलामी दी गई। अभी कुछ ही समय में श्रीमान मंडल रेल प्रबंधक महोदय हमारे बीच में होंगे।
We welcome our PS Guested Madam and also our better half of Senior DPO sir, Madam Senior DPO with his eldest son. We welcome our Senior DMM sir. Welcome madam. We are eagerly waiting for arrival of chief guest.
आज के मुख्य अतिथि श्रीमान मंडल रेल प्रबंधक महोदय के आने के संकेत मिल चुके हैं एवं कुछ ही समय में मुख्य अतिथि हमारे समक्ष होंगे। मंडल रेल प्रबंधक महोदय हमारे समक्ष पधार चुके हैं। श्रीमान मंडल सुरक्षा आयुक्त महोदय द्वारा उनका स्वागत किया जा रहा है। मंडल सुरक्षा आयुक्त महोदय श्रीमान मंडल रेल प्रबंधक को सैल्यूटिंग बेस की तरफ लेकर जा रहे हैं, जहां से ध्वजारोहण किया जाएगा। एवं राष्ट्र के प्रतीक हमारे तिरंगे झंडे को सलामी दी जाएगी।
We welcome our chief guest, our beloved DRM sir, to the flag hoisting base. Also the First Lady of Nanded Division, President Madam ACRW Nanded.
परेड कमांडर श्री बीएन सिंह श्रीमान मंडल एयर प्रबंधक महोदय से मार्च पास्ट परेड के लिए अनुमति लेने के लिए आते हुए
संतोष इंगोले.
The parade commander, Shri B.N. Singh, Division Inspector Nanded, has sought the permission from the chief guest for the parade and going back to the base for giving instructions to the second in command and the troop.
प्लाटूनों के कॉलम में बारी बारी मंच से गुजरेगी. नंबर 1 प्लाटून आगे. राइट. तीनों तीन बताने चलेगी. दाहिना मुड़.
आज की हमारी इस भव्य परेड के परेड कमांडर हैं मंडल निरीक्षक श्री बीएन सिंह एवं उनका साथ दे रहे हैं सेकंड इंचार्ज श्री एम संतोष कुमार. सभी लोगों से निवेदन है कि तालियां बजाकर इन सभी का स्वागत करें. नंबर 1 प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं श्री पंकज. नंबर 2 प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं एसआई कैडेट श्री राजकुमार मीणा. नंबर 3 प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं श्री शिवा रूपावत. डॉग स्क्वाड का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं हेड कांस्टेबल श्री मारुति नवाड़ी.
Beautifully dressed the cadet in the ceremonial dress of independence, passing and giving salute to the national flag and the chief guest. The commander, parade commander Shri B.N. Singh, division inspector, followed by the second command, the first platoon, second platoon Rajkumar, and Shiva Pawat, the third commandant. And we have two squads headed by Maruti Nawadi, and we have dogs Boris, the handler is Naresh Bhatt, the Teja by Mohit Balaji, head constable, and Simha by Sakaram, head constable Nanded. These are marching beautifully, shoulder to shoulder, showing that they are together with a strong belief and confidence that they will secure to the nation and in particular the railways.
माइकल.
Now the parade is dressing for the position.
समीक्षा क्रम में मध्य से
Now I request our beloved chief guest, beloved DRN sir, to grace this occasion by his few words.
कुणाला जरा कॅमेरा नाही नाही इथे नाही ओके त्याला चेहरा येईल की नाही येईल ना चेहरा साहेबाचा चेहरा नाही येणार ना
प्रिय रेल कर्मियों,
10 मिनिटं चालतंय
स्वतंत्रता दिवस की 74वीं वर्षगांठ के शुभ अवसर पर नांदेड़ मंडल के सभी अधिकारियों, कर्मचारियों तथा उनके परिवारजनों को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस एक ऐसा अवसर है जब हम अपने महान देशभक्तों, शहीदों तथा आज़ादी की लड़ाई के योद्धाओं को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं। इसके साथ आज ही के दिन हमें स्वतंत्रता के लंबे संग्राम के बाद आज़ादी मिली थी और इस आज़ादी को बनाए रखने कर्मचारियों तथा उनके परिवारजनों को इस महामारी से सुरक्षित रखना हमारा प्रथम और प्रमुख उद्देश्य है। हमें अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखने के लिए सरकार द्वारा बताए गए दिशा निर्देशों की पूरी तरह पालन अवश्य करनी चाहिए। इससे बचाव ही इसकी रोकथाम है। अतः हमें अपने स्वास्थ्य का विशेष ध्यान रखना है ताकि हम कार्यस्थल के सभी कर्मचारियों एवं परिवारजनों को सुरक्षित और स्वस्थ रख सकें। मुझे प्रसन्नता है कि हमारे चिकित्सा विभाग के अधिकारी, डॉक्टर, स्वास्थ्य कर्मचारी इस दिशा में दिन रात जीवन को जोखिम में डालकर निरंतर अपनी ड्यूटी प्रशंसनीय ढंग से कर रहे हैं। साथ ही गाड़ी चालन से जुड़े सुरक्षा, यांत्रिक और वाणिज्य विभाग के अधिकारी और कर्मचारी इस महामारी में भी यात्रियों के स्वास्थ्य और उनकी यात्राओं से संबंधित व्यवस्थाओं में तत्परता से जुटे हैं। दूसरे शब्दों में कहें तो आज हम सभी अपनी अपनी क्षमता में कोरोना योद्धा हैं जो निरंतर इस महामारी का डटकर मुकाबला कर रहे हैं। आज रेलों का उपयोग न केवल यात्रियों को तथा माल को गंतव्य तक पहुंचाने के लिए किया जा रहा है बल्कि कोविड महामारी के दौरान आम जनता को चिकित्सा सुविधा प्रदान करने के लिए भी हमारी रेलें सराहनीय कार्य कर रही हैं। मंडल द्वारा 30 सवारी डब्बों को आइसोलेशन तथा क्वारंटाइन के रूप में उपयोग हेतु तैयार किया गया है जिसमें बिस्तर, सभी आवश्यक दवाइयाँ, अनेक चिकित्सा सुविधाएं उपलब्ध कराई गई हैं। इसके अलावा चिकित्सा विभाग द्वारा सैनिटाइजर तैयार किया गया जिसे न केवल कर्मचारियों में बल्कि स्टेशन और गाड़ियों में यात्रियों तथा इस बीमारी से बचाव के लिए तैयार किए गए कोविड केंद्रों में भी वितरित किया गया। कोरोना काल में फंसे यात्रियों को उनके गंतव्यों तक पहुंचाने के लिए मंडल के नांदेड़, जालना और औरंगाबाद स्टेशनों से मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, झारखंड और पश्चिम बंगाल राज्यों के श्रमिकों के लिए समय समय पर कुल 18 श्रमिक विशेष गाड़ियाँ चलाई गई। साथ ही साथ उन यात्रियों के लिए भोजन की व्यवस्था भी की गई। डिविजनल ऑफिस कंपाउंड और नांदेड़ स्टेशन में लगभग 150 ठेका कर्मचारियों, लाइसेंसदारी पोर्टरों, हमालों और सफाई कर्मचारियों में चावल, दाल, तेल, चीनी आदि के फूड पैकेटों का वितरण भी किया गया। हमारा मालभाड़ा तंत्र एक निरंतर चलायमान प्रक्रिया है और इस क्षेत्र में और अधिक प्रगति लाने की दृष्टि से सरकार द्वारा जय किसान, कार्गो एक्सप्रेस जैसी संपूर्ण मालगाड़ी चलाने की नई पहल जिसे बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट यूनिट BDU का नाम दिया गया है के संबंध में आदिलाबाद, वाशिम, नांदेड़ और शिवनी श्योपुर स्टेशनों के व्यापारियों के साथ बैठकें आयोजित की गई तथा इन स्थानों में उत्पादित माल विशेष को उनके गंतव्यों तक पहुंचाने की संभावनाओं पर विस्तृत चर्चा की गई जो कि अत्यंत सफल रही। इन बैठकों में आदिलाबाद से कॉटन बाल को गुंटूर, वाशिम से DLK को दर्शाना, हैदराबाद, विजयवाड़ा और बांग्लादेश ले जाना, हल्दी को नांदेड़ से नई दिल्ली पहुंचाने और शिवनी श्योपुर से मिश्रित खाद्यान्नों, दालों आदि को नई दिल्ली पहुंचाने के लिए नए गंतव्यों पर भी विचार किया गया। इस संबंध में आप सभी को सूचित करते हुए मुझे अत्यंत हर्ष हो रहा है कि संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने के बावजूद मंडल द्वारा राज्य और मराठवाड़ा जिला प्राधिकारियों के साथ सौहार्दपूर्ण तालमेल से 1 अप्रैल से 10 अगस्त तक कुल 442 रेकों का लदान किया गया जो कि पिछले वर्ष की तुलना में काफ़ी अधिक है। इसके अलावा पार्सल को उनके गंतव्यों तक पहुंचाने की दिशा में मंडल द्वारा 10 अप्रैल से अमृतसर के लिए साप्ताहिक पार्सल एक्सप्रेस गाड़ी चलाई जा रही है जिससे न केवल पार्सल को उनके गंतव्य तक शीघ्र पहुंचाया जा रहा है बल्कि मंडल को अतिरिक्त राजस्व का लाभ भी हो रहा है। वर्तमान यातायात की आवश्यकता और भविष्य के लिए नए आयाम स्थापित करने की दिशा में अकोला खंडवा सेक्शन में अकोट स्टेशन तक 44 किलोमीटर के मीटर गेज को पूरी तरह ब्रॉड गेज बनाने का कार्य जुलाई माह में सफलतम रूप से पूरा किया गया। इसके अलावा मंडल के मुदखेड़ परभनी सेक्शन का दोहरीकरण का कार्य पूरा किया जो कि मालभाड़ा गाड़ियों की गति को स्थायी रूप से 50 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा करने की दिशा में एक महत्वपूर्ण कार्य है। साथ ही मंडल के विभिन्न मार्गों पर विद्युतीकरण का कार्य भी युद्ध स्तर पर चल रहा है जो अपने निर्धारित लक्ष्य तारीखों पर पूरे कर दिए जाएंगे।
मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इन सुधारात्मक और प्रगति कार्यों का लाभ हमें आने वाले दिनों में अवश्य मिलेगा। कोरोना काल में मंडल के कर्मचारियों ने न केवल रेल कर्मचारियों बल्कि रेल कार्यों से जुड़े व्यक्तियों के स्वास्थ्य की देखभाल की जिम्मेदारी ली और मानवीय कर्तव्यों को निष्ठा और ईमानदारी से निभाया। रेल कर्मचारियों तथा उनके परिवारजनों ने मिलकर घरों में मास्क, सैनिटाइजर, पीपी किट, कोट्स आदि तैयार किए और गैर सरकारी संगठनों के सहयोग से सफाई कर्मचारियों, निचले तबके के लोगों में वितरित किए। डीओसी कंपाउंड में रहने वाले कर्मचारियों के परिवारों की सुविधा के लिए कोविड-19 महामारी के दौरान डीओसी कंपाउंड में फल और सब्जियों की दुकानें लगाने की अनुमति दी गई तथा घर घर तक पीने के पानी के टैंकर तथा दैनिक राशन की वस्तुएं बेचने की सुविधा उपलब्ध कराई गई। जनता की सेवा करने में मंडल के अधिकारी भी पीछे नहीं रहे। इस महामारी से होने वाले आर्थिक हानि से उबरने के लिए मंडल के सभी अधिकारियों ने एक निधि तैयार की। मंडल के अधिकारियों और स्काउट टीम ने लगभग 200 गरीबों और जरूरतमंदों को भोजन खिलाया। डॉक्टर मनीषा, मंडल चिकित्सा अधिकारी, श्री जयेश चौहान, मंडल कार्मिक अधिकारी और श्री विनोदेव सचिन, मंडल सुरक्षा आयुक्त की पहल से घर पर मास्क बनाने का कार्य किया गया और लगभग 9000 मास्क बनाकर मंडल के कर्मचारियों में वितरित किए गए। नांदेड़ मंडल की तकनीकी रूप से प्रगति पथ पर निरंतर आगे बढ़ रहा है और इस दिशा में जून 2019 से ई ऑफिस प्लेटफॉर्म आरंभ किया गया, जिसमें लगभग 80% कार्य किया जा रहा है। साथ ही ई डास वेब कॉन्फ्रेंस के माध्यम से सभी कार्य पूरी तरह से डिजिटल रूप में ही किए जा रहे हैं। स्वस्थ शरीर में ही स्वस्थ विचारों का वास होता है। इसी भावना को मूर्त रूप देने के लिए कर्मचारियों के शारीरिक और मानसिक स्वास्थ्य को ध्यान में रखकर 21 जून अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस के अवसर पर मंडल के अधिकारियों और कर्मचारियों के लिए योग शिविर का आयोजन किया गया, जिसमें विभिन्न योगासनों और व्यायाम से शारीरिक स्वस्थता पर जोर दिया गया। 8 मार्च अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस के अवसर पर मंडल कार्यालय में महिलाओं की महत्ता और उनकी कार्यकुशलता को सम्मानित किया गया। हमारे इंजीनियरिंग, सिग्नल आदि विभागों द्वारा रेल पथ, सिग्नलों, पुलों आदि का अनुरक्षण निरंतर चलता रहे तथा इन कार्यों के संबंध में कर्मचारियों को एक स्टेशन से दूसरे स्टेशन में आने जाने में कोई तकलीफ ना हो, अतः उनकी सुविधा के लिए वर्कमैन स्पेशल गाड़ियां चलाई जा रही हैं। हमारी रेल निरंतर निर्बाध गति से चलती रहे। मुझे बताते हुए अपार हर्ष हो रहा है कि कोरोना काल में नांदेड़ मंडल का पहला कर्मचारी संगठन भी किसी से पीछे नहीं रहा है। इस दौरान न केवल महिला कर्मचारियों ने बल्कि मंडल परिसर के परिवारों की महिलाओं ने अपने अपने घरों में मास्क बनाए, घरों में भोजन तैयार किया और उसे जरूरतमंदों में वितरित किया। संकट के समय की गई छोटी से छोटी सहायता की बड़ा आसरा बनती है, अतः ये अत्यंत सराहनीय कार्य है। इसके अलावा महिला कल्याण संगठन कर्मचारियों के होनहार छात्र छात्राओं को अच्छे अंकों से परीक्षाएं उत्तीर्ण करने तथा विभिन्न सांस्कृतिक व कलात्मक गतिविधियों के लिए भी प्रोत्साहित करती है। संगठन के सुगम संचालन में एम्प्लॉइज संघ और मजदूर यूनियन की सक्रिय भूमिका अत्यंत सराहनीय है, जो हमारे कर्मचारियों और उनके परिवारजनों के कल्याण के लिए निरंतर प्रयत्नशील रहते हैं। इसके अलावा प्रशासनिक क्षेत्र में कर्मचारियों की गतिविधियों को गतिशील बनाए रखने में उन्हें एकजुट करके राष्ट्र की प्रगति में अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान देते हैं। साथ ही हमारे खिलाड़ियों, स्काउट और गाइड्स, सांस्कृतिक टीम का योगदान भी महत्वपूर्ण है। आज परिस्थितियां भले ही अनुकूल नहीं हैं, चुनौतियां भी बहुत हैं, तथापि मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि जनता की आकांक्षाओं को पूरा करने में हमारे सभी कोविड वॉरियर्स, मेरे कुशल, परिश्रमी और निष्ठावान साथी अधिकारी और कर्मचारी साथ मिलकर हर चुनौती का सामना करके अवश्य सफल होंगे। इसी विश्वास और दृढ़ निश्चय के साथ आइए हम आगे बढ़ें और अपने मंडल, अपनी रेल और अपने देश का नाम ऊंचा करें। जय हिंद।
Thank you very much, sir, for blessing us on this auspicious occasion and the confidence reposed in us. Definitely will come forward as per your desire, sir. Thank you, sir. May I request our beloved ADRM, sir, to read out the message of our beloved General Manager, South Central Railway, ADRM, sir.
Good morning to one and all. Now I will read General Manager's message on 74th Independence Day. Dear members of Railway family, I extend my warm greetings to you on the memorable occasion of the 74th Independence Day celebration. It is my privilege to host the Tricolor this day, which rekindles memories of the great struggle for freedom and sacrifices made by the leaders and the peoples alike. Railways in India hold a unique stature for having played a pivotal role in the independence movement, lending mobility to the aspirations and struggles of the people. Having inherited this legacy, Indian Railways has taken giant strides in the post-independence era to earn image as the nation's lifeline, moving people and carrying people to every nook and corner. Over the past 7 decades, Indian Railway has been steadfastly working to meet the socio-developmental goals of the nation, with the recent past witnessing IR embarking on a transformational journey to meet the growing aspirations of our countrymen. South Central Railway has been an active player in shaping the performance path of Indian Railways by implementing dynamic decisions which reflects the commitment to serve with a sincere purpose. The dedication of our railway force has once again come to the fore during this COVID-19 pandemic, wherein our railwaymen again rose to the occasion to serve the needs of the nation, while at the same time taking steps which will give long-term benefits. The Ministry of Railways has been a vital part in the battle of overcome the impact of COVID-19 and ensure safety and security of people through the hard times. One of the biggest priorities during this period has been to ensure that the supply chain keeps rolling so that people in any corner of the country do not suffer shortage of basic essential supplies. SCR has operated 290 timetable special partial trains linking major stations and transported 40,000 million tons of commodities, thereby registering the third highest parcel traffic over Indian Railways. South Central Railway was not only amongst the first to operate special parcel trains, including to Toronto, but we are also the first zone across the Indian Railways to send a parcel train across the border, when a parcel train loaded with dry chilies from Reddypalayam was sent to Bangladesh. The demands of the business and industrial sector are being met by continuing to run the freight operations. Special emphasis is being given to speedy delivery, particularly when other avenues of transport have come to a grinding halt. The speed of the freight trains has been drastically increased from earlier average of 18 to 20 km/h to 50 km/h. Initiatives like Jai Kishan Specials, wherein 2 freight trains originated from different stations get clubbed at an identified intermediate junction to run as one train, has helped us to more than double the food grains loading in the current fiscal. Also, for the first time on Indian Railways, SCR has started running timetable cargo express trains from Hyderabad and Delhi for transporting even non-bulk commodities. Coming to the passenger segment, the Railway Ministry undertook a massive plan of action to transport needy sections of the people to their choice destination. Acting on cue, SCR was the first on Indian Railways to overcome the running of ceramic special trains from 1st May 2020, coinciding with the International Labour Day. In terms of numbers, SCR has dealt 1038 ceramic specials, of which 243 ceramic specials originating from 32 stations of South Central Railway helped in transporting 3,13,534 passengers to our 15 destination stations and 88 stations. Additionally, another 795 ceramic special trains originating in other railways and passing through SCR were dealt with. During this period, I am glad to share that several of our officers and staff, along with philanthropic organizations, rose to the occasion to serve passengers in these trains with meals, food and water as and when the need arose. In tune with the gradual back to normalcy initiative, SCR has introduced special passenger train services to link all the major destinations for the convenience of rail users, which has evoked encouraging response and positive feedback from the public. Currently, 34 special passenger services catering to around 25,000 passengers every day are being operated over the zone on the basis of a strongly laid down protocol to stop spread of COVID-19 virus. A major thrust area is being given towards safety and augmentation of infrastructure. Although the COVID-19 conditions presented a huge challenge, the zone has remained tuned to project execution works at a hectic pace. During the current financial year, the zone has commissioned 32 kilometers of new railway line between Manoharabad and Gajwel and 12 kilometers of new railway line between Jaglair and Mattel in Telangana state. The prestigious Nadikudi Srikalahasti new railway line project in Andhra Pradesh is firmly on the track, and at the end of March 2020, 46 kilometers of new railway line has been commissioned between New Pidigurala and Savalipuram. 11 kilometers of double line between Jangalapalli, Chingicherla and the Kurti Dharmavaram section has also been completed and commissioned in the current fiscal. Gauge conversion works to a total length of 44 kilometers between Akola and Akot in Maharashtra state has also been completed. SCR has been productively utilizing the temporary reduction of train movements by undertaking a full-scale safety works all over the zone. Amongst the high points has been the track maintenance work on the iconic second bridge across River Godavari at Rajahmundry after 43 years and replacement of wooden layout scissor crossovers with PSC sleepers at the Vijayawada and Kazipet junctions station, which is in normal times would have led to major regulations of train services. I am happy to share the fact that SCR has stood in the top position amongst all zones of Indian Railways in executing track maintenance work. A record of 23 bridges have been replaced, reconstructed or repaired in a short span of 3 months. Maintenance of rakes and locomotives has been ensured to optimum levels during the present pandemic time, COVID times. All parameters are being adhered to keep the health of rolling stock at the best levels, giving priority to the minutest of details. The sanitation protocol is stringently being followed to disinfect trains, stations, maintenance facilities, workshops, etc., so that there is no let-up in the fight against the virus spread. A very important objective that was fulfilled by SCR's workforce relates to conversion of passenger coaches into isolation coaches for the anticipated requirements of COVID-19 related patients, a step to serve the greater cause of society and the nation. Taking a swift action, the zone has converted 486 coaches to the isolation facilities, out of which 150 were undertaken by the Lalaguda and Tirupati carriage workshop, while the balance were undertaken by the divisions. Also requiring a mention is the mass production of PPE kits, face masks, hand sanitizers, hands-free sanitizer dispensers, foot-operated hand wash facility, etc., undertaken in-house to meet the internal needs. The security wing of SCR has rendered selfless service not just to safeguard the railways, but go beyond to safeguard the lives of people by undertaking yeoman service to provide free food to the needy sections at various locations all over the zone. I would like to also acknowledge the silent service rendered by the staff of and officers of various departments who pooled resources individually to help needy, in particular to those dependent on railways for livelihood like the licensed porter and contractual workers whose income source come to a halt and need support. SCR has always been the buzzword for innovative practices, and COVID-19 pandemic has again witnessed SCR coming up with unique initiatives. A rail boat, a robotic device, was developed to provide contact-free patient care in our railway hospitals, thereby negating the looming threat of virus spread. Development of user-friendly web application by Vijayawada Division for online survey of clinical information for employees is another significant initiative. The vast railway ground in Guntakal town has been offered for setting up of temporary market for sale of daily essentials, benefiting the railway as well as civil population of the town. I am proud of the positive work environment of SCR and the way each of the employee has acted diligently to exercise their duties, braving the risks of COVID-19 pandemic. It is to their credit that the wheels of railway has kept moving when all else stopped. The organized trade unions have played a responsible role to involve the workforce in the task, thereby providing the devotion to duty comes foremost. I assure that the administration will remain responsive to take care of its employees. An example is the setting up of 250 beds capacity isolation and COVID wards across Central Railway Lalagoda, Railway Hospital Vijayawada and Railway Hospital Guntakal with necessary permissions from the state government for treating mildly symptomatic COVID-19 patients of railway families. The hospitals have been well equipped with high flow nasal cannula devices, ventilators, multi-parameters monitors and adequate supply of all essential medicines among others to treat our railwaymen and their families. In this context, SCR acknowledges the contribution of RVNL, SCR, SA and corporate customers for sponsoring a few of HFNC devices. On this occasion, on behalf of entire SCR fraternity, I want to convey my special thanks to the doctors, paramedical staff and housekeeping staff who have been relentlessly working 24/7 over the zone for service being rendered by them during their pandemic times. Volunteers of SCR Scouts and Guides proved their worth by acting as connectors to deliver regular medicines to needy railway families at their doorsteps, so as to avoid the needy of their visit to railway hospitals in the current situation. The airman service rendered by the South Central Railway Sports Association, SCR Lalita Kala Samati and Civil Defence Organization in extending their timely support for the needy is praiseworthy. The SCR Women's Welfare Organization has again proved its credentials by reaching out to various needy sections of the society in the present pandemic times, especially focusing on women associated directly and indirectly with railways. The organization has distributed essential daily needs to the contract housekeeping staff and sanitation workers employed at various offices, railway premises and railway colonies. In addition, hand sanitizers, face masks, safety shields and sanitizer dispensers are distributed to housekeeping and medical staff to maintain personal protection and ensure safe working practices. The period ahead is full of challenges and opportunity is the only word to overcome the tough phase. One door may close only to see another door open. Let us bank upon our belief and the resilience of Indian Railways to provide our any situation, not just to survive but to succeed. I am sure that each one of you will be a committed member of the team SCR, determined to win and keep aloft the banner of being the best. In conclusion, I pray to the Almighty for the good health and happy times to all members of Team SCR. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for reading out the General Manager's message, sir, on this occasion. Thank you, sir. काले गोरे का भेद नहीं, काले गोरे का भेद नहीं, इस दिल से है हमारा नाता है, इस दिल से हमारा नाता है। कुछ कोविड-19 भी आता हो, हमें प्यार निभाना आता है, हमें प्यार निभाना आता है। After the COVID-19 broke out, hundreds of thousands of railway employees have been on duty since day one, so-called as COVID warriors, consist of doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, security personnel, commercial TTs, engineering staff, S&T, electrical, operating, running, accounts and personnel, supported by the Scouts and Guides and the South Central Railway Women's Welfare Organization members, work tirelessly to take care of our community. Doctors are said to be God and they have proved themselves during the test of time. Just two words, thank you. Being absolute and joy and happiness and creates miracles in the life of the patients. Prevention is the better than cure. As you're aware, all our team has taken a keen interest to protect from the symptoms by obeying or maintaining social distances, as you can see today, and using of masks, sanitizers, and improvement of immunity in taking of warm water and hot water with turmeric, etc. The home remedies given by the doctor during the meetings in the colony care committee at Nanded division. We must salute for the courage, immense dedication to serve the needy patients in the need of our stay home, stay healthy slogans very effective in the society. Generous donations in various forms by the officers and staff of Nanded division by supplying essential food grains as said by our beloved DRM sir, and also the Scouts and Guides have come forward for distribution of the cooked food around 300 staff of the public of Nanded division. This we encourage. It is really worthy. We shall stand together for a standing ovation in just not our satisfaction but for the motivation and dedication work rendered by all the staff of Nanded Division. I request all of you to stand for giving standing ovation to the COVID warriors. I request all of you to stand for giving. I request.
Officers, uppers, with Red Humi Chut Red 3 से स्वागत कर फिर से स्वागत कर ऑफिसर्स निकाल रिच उठा छुट
2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1
सभी से निवेदन है कि अपनी जगह पर बैठ जाएं। परेड कमांडर द्वारा अभी श्रीमान मंडल रेल प्रबंधक महोदय से परेड विसर्जन की अनुमति ली जाएगी।
परेड विसर्जन की अनुमति चाहता हूँ श्रीमान। अनुमति
परेड कमांडर श्री बीएन सिंह परेड विसर्जन की अनुमति लेकर जाते हुए एवं अपना चार्ज सेकंड इंचार्ज श्री एम संतोष कुमार को देंगे। परेड कमांडर एवं प्लाटून कमांडरों का परिचय श्रीमान मंडल रेल प्रबंधक महोदय से करवाया जाएगा।
The parade commander is marching towards the dais for introduction to the chief guest.
परेड कमांडर एवं प्लाटून कमांडरों द्वारा अपना परिचय श्रीमान मंडल रेल प्रबंधक महोदय को करवाया गया। अभी आरपीएफ के डॉग्स द्वारा डॉग शो किया जाएगा।
Okay, to our chief guest. Put your caps together.
डॉग बोरिस अपने हैंडलर श्री नरेश फड़ के साथ में श्रीमान मंडल रेल प्रबंधक महोदय का स्वागत करने के लिए गुलदस्ता लेकर जा रहे हैं। और मैडम को गुलदस्ता देकर उनका स्वागत किया गया और अभी सैल्यूट किया गया।
See how affectionately, lovingly it has handed over the bouquet to our chief guest. It has having amazing talent. See, it is saluting, it is giving its respect and feeling happy that it has done its job.
अभी स्वान दस्ता द्वारा उच्च दर्जे के आज्ञा पालन का नमूना आप सबके समक्ष प्रस्तुत किया जाएगा। हमारे पास नांदेड़ डिवीजन में स्वान दस्ते में 3 डॉग हैं, जिसमें से 2 स्नीफर, 1 ट्रैकर है। डॉग बोरिस और डॉग सिम्बा ये स्नीफर डॉग्स हैं। डॉग तेजा ये ट्रैकर डॉग है।
Now as you are seeing the lovely affectionate dogs there, honoring the instructions, see waiting for the instructions from the handlers. There are 3 handlers with Naresh Bird, with the Boris, and Balaji with Teja, and Sakaram with Simha.
Boris.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत प्रदर्शन तीनों डॉग द्वारा किया जा रहा है।
See, the dogs are sensing the instructions given by handlers. Amazing talent, natural talent inherent in them. They have big applause to them. They have followed the instructions, pursuing the instructions given by the handlers. Giving a salute to the distinguished guests on the dais.
डॉग सिम्बा द्वारा अभी अपने हैंडलर द्वारा बताए गए एक्सरसाइज का प्रदर्शन किया जाएगा।
Now coming up, the handler dog Simha with the Wakre Sakaram. He will give instructions of exercise to the dog and it will carry out the instructions minutely as given by the handler. See the amazing talent, senses, obeying, obedience, patience in the dog inherent in it. throws out big hands. See how it has done on the instruction.
तालियां बजाकर इसका स्वागत करें.
See, the handler is calling towards him, it lovingly going towards the handler, taking it around. See how happy, joyful. This is the talent. As you know, dogs are faithful. Carries out the instructions. It can perceive the things and is giving the salute.
अभी आप सभी के समक्ष डॉग बोरिस द्वारा स्निफ करके विस्फोटकों को खोजने की जो तरीका होता है, प्रक्रिया होती है, उसका प्रदर्शन किया जाएगा. अभी आपके सामने देख रहे हैं आप लोग कि 4-5 बॉक्स रख दिए गए हैं. उनमें से किसी एक में विस्फोटक रहेगा तो उसको स्निफ करके ढूंढ निकालेगा.
The skill of the sniper dogs are they can smell it. It is a natural skill given inherent in the dogs. This is a sniper dog, Boris. Handler is Nareshwar, head constable. Now it will show his talent by detecting the bomb in which this box is kept, so as to save the nation and in particular the railways. It is following the instructions by his handler. Now it is by perceiving senses, it is sensing in which box the bomb is kept. You will be amazing to see. It will definitely detect at the same box. He is giving indication to his handler that it is there in the box, and the team of the box explosive have come and they have searching for it. See, ultimately a bomb has come. Big claps to the. See, God has gifted a talent in them. Giving a salute to the officials on the dais. Thank you very much. Now I take over. अनेकता में एकता ही हमारी शान है. अनेकता में एकता ही हमारी शान है. इसीलिए अपना भारत देश मान है. इसीलिए अपना भारत देश मान है. Happy 74 Independence Day. Once again, welcome after flag hoisting by our beloved Divisional Railway Manager sir, and a spectacular parade by the RPF contingent, and just you have witnessed the dog show, the skill inherent in them, relentless efforts and majesty, amazing skill by the dog show, the Boris, the Teja and the Simha. Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Upendrajit, Divisional Railway Manager Nanded, the First Lady of Nanded Division, Srimati Manjit Kaur, President SCR WWO Nanded, Guest of Honor, our beloved Shri N. Nagabhushanam Garu, Additional Divisional Railway Manager, Madam Vice President Bharati Devi, Member of South Central Railway Women's Organization, distinguished guests, senior officers, members of South Central Railway Women's Organization, brothers and sisters and little children. Now I request our President Madam to grace this occasion. President Madam SCR WWO Nanded.
आपके आने की आहट इन हवाओं में है. कुछ अपनापन सा बिखरा इन फिजाओं में है. खुशियाँ चूमे आपके कदम हमेशा. अब यही तमन्ना इन दुआओं में है. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. रिस्पेक्टेड DRM सर, ADRM Nanded, members of SCR WWO Nanded, officers and staff, a warm welcome to all and all the auspicious occasion of 74th Independence Day celebration. The SCR WWO Nanded is rendering yeoman services to the residents of Nanded Division. The SCR WWO Nanded is running the Chanda Mama Play School, canteen at DOC, canteen in Divisional Hospital, beauty parlor, tuition center, gift center, Xerox center and provisional store at DOC Nanded for the welfare of residents of railway colony. We are honoring with the scholarship to the children of railway employees who has scored good marks in the recent SSC HSC examination extra. During the last 1 year, SCRWWO Nanded has conducted several competitions with on-the-spot drawing and painting competition, essay competition for children of railway employees. Also, winners were awarded with the cash prizes and certificates. As you all know that in the month of March 2020, a 21 days complete lockdown was imposed in India to contain the spread of coronavirus. During this period, SCRWWM came forward for providing the face masks to railway staff and family. A large number of face masks stitched with the help of ladies of DOC and distributed the same among railway staff and residents of railway colony. All this is possible with the kind cooperation and coordination of all the staff, and for which our organization is very much thankful. We look forward for the same cooperation in the years to come. Suggestions are invited to improve our organization. I am profusely thankful for the opportunity. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, madam. Your speech was really like a rocket, madam. Thank you for blessings. Definitely will stand on your visions and dreams, madam. As you are aware, your insistence on social distancing was forced us to skip a sort of celebrations. Nevertheless, using the digital technology, we are still enjoying the happiness and Independence Day. To do some cultural beyond digitalization, now I request the SNT team to play the song of Sunindi Porika, the class 4th standard, on the song Ye Desh Hai Veer Jawanon Ka, Ye Desh Hai Veer Jawanon Ka. She is none other than the granddaughter of our dynamic and lovable senior DPO Shri Jai Shankar Chauhan ji. Yeah. You can see on the screens on the either side, on the left and right. Officers on the right side are visible on the map. See, just in the 4th standard, the affection towards the nation and the dedication and the skill in dancing, it shows. I once again, Sunita Porika for the song Jai Ho. तिरंगा लहराएंगे, तिरंगा लहराएंगे, भक्ति गीत गुनगुनाएंगे, भक्ति गीत गुनगुनाएंगे। वादा करो इस देश को दुनिया का सबसे प्यारा देश बनाएंगे, दुनिया का सबसे प्यारा देश बनाएंगे। Now I request to play the song sung by Anushka Shukla, standard 7th of Kendra Vidyalay, Sandeshe Aate Hai, number 3.
Good morning friends, happy Independence Day to all of you. My name is Anushka Shukla and I am from class 8. Today I am presenting before you a dance for Independence Day.
थैंक यू। हाथों की लकीरों पे मत जाए गालिब, किस्मत उनकी भी होती है, किस्मत उनकी भी होती है जिसके हाथ नहीं होते, जिसके हाथ नहीं होते। The fourth song now, Shri Damre by 7th standard India Wale, song number 4. Song by Saika Gucci for class 9 for Vande Mataram.
Happy Independence Day to all. My name is Saika Gucci, studying in class 9 from Kendriya Vidyalaya South Central Railway, Nanded.
Next song by Sweeta Nagwani, Page 21. Thank you, all the children, for staying at home and enjoying the Independence Day celebrations as per directives. Now, I request our Secretary, Srimati Y. Harika, to announce the prizes for scholarship prizes for 10th and 12th class as customary. I request Secretary Harika.
Good morning, everyone. As you all know, we give away scholarships on the occasion of Independence Day. This year, the candidates are Shubha Tiwari, who scored 96% in SSC, Saili Devendra Dalal, who also secured 96% in SSC, Pratibha Kumari, who securing 95% in CBSE, Sachin Kumar Meena, 94.2%, Kanak Negi, 90%, Meena Priyanka, 90%, Sheikh Faizan Sheikh Aziz Ahmad, 90%, Lakshmikant Prahlad Gaikwad for 88.4%, Rathod Prachi Subhash for 87.4%, Vankade Leena Tejrao for 84.4%, Pratiksha Namdev Bokar for 83.4%, Joge Devashish Shashikant for 82.6%, Saudar Kuldeep Anil for 76.2%. These are the awardees for SSC. Then for HSC is Tikre Yogeshwari Raghunath, who has secured 92.15%, Pandale Mansi Vishnu for 86.62%, Tanle Namrita Shankar 80%, and people who have secured for BGS, MCM, Engineering and Medical entrances, Sheikh Adnan Mumtaz, who has secured 99.5 CGP in BE Mechanical. Congratulations to all the awardees. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. As a customary, the Women's Organization conducts various competitions and also the scholarship is given for 10th and 12th. Thank you, madam. As you are aware, we are most pleased to announce for the COVID warriors the cash award for the following staff, and they are honored on this Independence Day celebrations. I call upon Dr. Manish Durmale, Senior Divisional Medical Officer, Divisional Hospital Nanded. She has really come up and she has given so much of guidance to the colony people, their home remedies, how to be protective from the symptoms of COVID-19, and all the patients of Nanded Division were routed through this divisional hospital irrespective of taking care. She has come forward courageously and directed the patients to the civil hospital and given the treatment, imposing a confidence in the railway employees. Now I call upon the Captain Sri Venu Dev Sachinji, DSC Nanded, really works with his strong wall support. He has blocked all the gates except the Jalna gate and made our society free from the COVID-19. Now I request myself, that is Vishwanath Sopani Nanded. Thank you. Honor to me. I don't deserve, but I think they have recognized me. Thank you, sir. Now I call upon Srimati J. Priya Sukumaran, Secretary. Now I will call upon the cash award for department-wise. I request the branch officer to collect because due to COVID, we are not calling the awardees. I will read out the names. First, Medical Department, Srimati Panchashila Hatkar, Chief Nursing, DH Nanded, Satish Tilkekar, Chief Pharmacist Nitin Lone, Chief Pharmacist T. Sachin, Lab Superintendent Srimati Rukmini Bai, Mahadev Rao, and Dada Sahib Khandalgare, Satyabhama Bai, Ramaratan. They are from Medical Department. I request Senior DMO Manisha Madam to collect the prize. Next comes Operating Department. Uttam Kumar, Pointsman Dhanaura, Vijay Sadashiv, Pointsman Mutkhed, P. Shashibhushan Prabhakar, Devidas Bishe, S.S. Parmani, Mohan S.M. Purna, Ashok Sharma S.M. Purna, Jitendranath Baral, T.I. Nanded, Yogesh Kumar, T.I. General, Sanjay Sahani, Chief Controller, Nanded Control Office. I request Senior to collect the prize from our Chief Guest. Then the department comes, which is coordinating the personal department, taking care under the leadership of our young dynamic Chauhan Sahab. The first prize goes to Ravindra Gaikwad, Chief Welfare Inspector, Sanjay Ghatre, Abhay Kumar Dev, Mahendra Kumar, Raj Nahar, Kumar Viplo, Rohit Rathore. They have done the scouts and guide come forward, they have done the cooked and packets for essential commodities and they hand it over. Now the stores department, I request Senior DMM sir to come forward. Dancing Meena, OS, K. Rajesh, Unit Clerk, K. Madhav Vital Tune, Banu Prakash Kalasi from Stores Department who have procured the sanitizers in time. Then from the Security Department, I request our dynamic captain to collect B.N. Singh, he was a DI, the parade captain, and Parmeet Singh, STF Akola, Bhavale, STF Akola, Bhim, Constable, Sekar, Khandare, Begal, ST Buge, Balve, Kamle Manoj, Vishnu, Harilal, Raju Gadewas. These are from security. They have really stood like a mountain and they never allowed outsiders to come into our premises without a check, and this has really prevented us from the COVID-19. Thank you for the Security Department. Electrical Department, I request Senior sir to collect the prize. Sheikh Salim, Sheikh Mahbub, Rajvi Ibra and Nagmani technician. Because electricity supply is a must. Without electricity, we will be in darkness. Then the Essence Department. The names are Satya Prakash, Senior TCM Tashroom, Dhananjay Kumar, Mustafa Kistaya, Prabhudas, Ram Madan, Papu Kumar, Mani Kumar, Govind Sahe. Without them, the voice cannot reach you, and the communication was done through the PS system only. I request our Senior DSC sir to come forward. If in the absence of the Senior DSC, I request our Madam Srimati G. Priya Sukumaran. Really, she has taken a keen interest in stitching the masks for the 8,000 masks stitched under the guidance and able coordination of PS Madam. She has taken a keen interest with the children also. The children also played a vital role in this. Sonia was an active member for that. Electrical Department. Now, General Department, Shashikant, Senate ADRM, K. Rogram, the Dynamic CLF Nanded, Manoj Kumar for General Admin. I request Senior DMM sir. Engineering Department, SK Suman, SSC Sedu, Subodh Kumar, Aditya Kumar, Vinod Kumar, Ramesh Chandran, Arun Kumar. Really, without them, the track could not have run the freight specials and reached the essential commodities to nook and corner of India. I thank all the track maintainers under the leadership of Synergy coordination. The Accounts Department, I request Synergy FM sir, E. Suresh SSO, Manohar SSO, Lakshman A, and Tuti Swami Naik for arranging our payments in time. Even the COVID was going on, we have our pocket was full because of the passing the payment to us. The Mechanical Department, Amit Vakmare, Chandu Gangaram, Chandu Kumar, Manoj Kumar, for the sanitation of the coaches and the traffic specials. I request Senior team sir to collect the prize. Now, E and HM wing, Amol Agrihotri, Gujar and GP Gupta, the inspectors, because they have procured all the material for the poet. I also request the team of Scouts and Guides because they have done good service. Really, they have done extraordinary service by cooking the food and giving to the needy in the test of time when entire lockdown was there for 21 days in Nanded. In recognition of them, they are receiving the award from the chief guest. He is Mr. Mahendra. He is working as a senior clerk in Senior DPO's office, followed by Viplo. Daily time comes for that. You should utilize the opportunity. This will go in settlement. He does settlement for all the retired people. Ziraj, the young person, charming, dynamic, a good drum master actually. Abhay, though he is not a scout appointee, he has come forward and is the best chef. Do you know he has done such a nice biryani and handed over in the food packet. Rohit, though he is not a scout appointee, he has come forward voluntarily and served them. Now, I propose the vote of thanks. Respected Honorable Division Railway Manager, Shri Upendra Ji Sahab has taken keen interest and made this 74th Independence celebration successful, along with better half President Madam, the First Lady of Nanded Division, Manjit Kaur, President SCRWW Nanded, ADRM Sir, the Guest of Honor, Bharati Devi Madam, Vice President SCRWW Nanded, members of the South Central Women's Organization, Secretary, Treasurer, all the members of South Central Women's Organization. I am very thankful for the engineering department for arranging sitting arrangements and maintaining. And also the S&T department, which is Vice can be reached to electrical, mechanical, CNW, medical, all the departments who are connected and personal because they have arranged all these functions. Without them, this could not be successful. Our DRM sir is very pleased for this arrangement and he has sanctioned on the spot group cash award for the parade RPF contingent platoon 1 of rupees 3,000. Put your hands together. Then contingent number 2 platoon 3,000 rupees. For the parade, RPF contingent platoon number 3, a group award of rupees 3,000. For the beautiful dog squad, Boris, Teja and Simha, a group cash of rupees 2,000 rupees. The pilot party group 1 and 2 combined is 2,000 rupees. The ticket party 2,000 rupees, engineering department 3,000 rupees, SNT department 2,500, electrical department 2,500, personal department a group cash award of 3,000 rupees and general administration department a group award of 2,000 rupees, put together 28,000 rupees. I am thankful from my bottom of my heart and on behalf of Nanded Division and on my own behalf. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request all of them to join at Chandamama Play School adjacent to club. Thank you, one and all.